Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to type the degree symbol on an iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let us start. So first of all you have to open the app where you want to type the degree symbol. So let me open mine. So I want to type a degree symbol in this app, that is WhatsApp. You might have some other app. So let me tap on this to open it. You can see it's opened. Let me open this chat. Okay. So what you need to do, you have to, bring up your keyboard. So let me tap on this text box. So I have this keyboard opened. So after that, you have to go to the numeric keyboard. So just tap on this 1, 2, 3, this button. Let me tap on this. And I have this numeric keyboard opened. So in order to type degree symbol, what you need to do, you have to go to this zero symbol and then tap and hold on this until you see this pop up. And after that, you have to slide to the degree symbol on the left hand side. So let me do that. And after that, just release your finger. I am releasing my finger. And you can see I have this degree symbol inserted. So let me send this by tapping on this send button. And you can see it's now sent. So let's suppose if I want to type 25 degrees Celsius, then what I need to do, I need to go to this, numeric keyboard, type 25, and then I need to type the degree symbol. So again, for that, you have to tap and hold on this zero symbol until you see this, pop up, and then you have to slide to the degree symbol on the left hand side. And after that, just release your finger and you can see I have this degree symbol inserted. So let me type C for Celsius. So let me go to the alphabetical keyboard by tapping on this ABC, this button. Let me go to the capital letters. Let me tap on this C, this key, and you can see I have this 25 degrees Celsius written. So that's it. In this way you can easily type degree symbol on an iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.